Hello, hi, Kelly here. I'm going to talk about the June featured products. These are just 3 of the 5. And look at this, you get a face routine in the bundle. It's amazing. Right here, we have my #1 best-selling product year after year, BFF Face Wash. If you haven't tried this yet and you want to, please let me know. You only need a pea-size amount. It's an exfoliating face wash, but it's gentle enough to use every day because it's got exfoliating eco beads that gently cleanse and wash away your dead skin cells while brightening with cucumber fruit and grapefruit and refreshing peppermint. I love, love, love this face wash to use, especially in the morning. Now, if you listen carefully, you should be able to hear the scrubbing. So just gently scrub your face in circular motions. I like to get my neck and chest as well, but I don't typically do that on video because it gets messy and gets my shirt all wet. And just rinse off. Ta-da! So this face wash is on sale on its own this week. The sale ends Sunday, June 6th, the end of the night on Sunday, June 6th. Poshwithkelly.com. This one is on sale. It's normally $21. It's on sale for $18. And then next week, starting Monday, the featured product of the week, is Pickup Lines Eye Cream. This stuff is amazing. It is one of our pricier products. You need just a dot. I recommend applying it with your ring finger because it is the least strong of your fingers. I also apply it to my left eyelid because my left eye is a little droopier and more wrinkly than my right. I look very puffy and wrinkly today because I'm a bit dehydrated. I have not been drinking my water and I've been eating salty food and it immediately shows up in my face. So that's the eye cream. It's called Pickup Lines. It's a supercharged firming cocktail, anti-aging eye cream. It's got, it instantly invisibly lifts and fills expression lines. Like in a few minutes, this puffiness is gonna go down and any fine lines I have get filled in. It is that good. It helps new lines from appearing and from forming, and it's got firming fillers like sea moss, plant extracts, neuropeptides, and our ABC vitamin blend. It's escaping me right now what that is, but the B is for bakuchiol, which is a natural alternative to retinol. And that is a really powerful anti-aging ingredient. I think it's vitamin A and vitamin C, but it makes sense, right? It keeps your eyes looking younger, firmer, brightens dark circles. This stuff is amazing. When it first came out, I was at a Posh conference and I was wearing magnetic lashes and my eyelids got super irritated from the magnets and my eyelids were like puffy and swollen all along my lash line. I put this on for the very first time and that swelling went down in like 5 minutes. They were puffy, red. I mean, it is so good. It is normally $32. As you saw, I use the smallest drop. I use this every day, twice a day. Sometimes I like skip a morning routine or something, but most of the time twice a day when I wash my face in the morning. I am not perfect. I'm not perfect with the skincare. But it lasts me like, I think I use like 2 of these a year. Definitely worth every penny. $32 normally, but starting Monday, June 7th, it'll be on sale all week for $24. That's a big savings. And it's part of the bundle. So this one, this one, this one, and 2 more products. You can grab them all in a bundle at their sale prices, and I'll get to that at the end. So this is Moisturize 911. Again, you just need a little pea size. This is a favorite face cream of many of my customers. It has brightening vitamin C, We love vitamin C on our face for anti-aging, and it's a caffeinated face moisturizer. So that lifts and firms. So you want to apply your moisturizer like in an upward motion. I just got on my lips. And believe me, when I'm not making a video, this whole process takes like 1 minute. It is not, I always like go in like light circles, and I just help gravity or help fight gravity by going upwards, neck and chest as well. And this, it's very light. It's not a heavy moisturizer. It's got a very faint citrus scent to it. So the peppermint plus the citrus in the morning, awesome. Just brightens your day, wakes you up, lifts your mood, and it does a lot of great stuff for your skin. It's also got hyaluronic acid in it to draw in moisture and help the moisture like stay in your face. So those are the 3 face products in the bundle. And then we have our best-selling Chunk Bar Gender Bender. It is a charcoal-loaded soap, and it a universally appealing fragrance, not particularly feminine or masculine, hence the name. And it just smells like citrus and amber and yeah, woodsy amber and soft citrus. That's what it's called. And I love the scent of amber. So it's got RSPO certified safe palm oil, and it's a vegan product. It also has shea butter, so those things moisturize, but it gives you a deep detoxifying clean with the charcoal. So great for summertime. Pulls out your like sunscreen from your pores, any sweat, all that kind of stuff. I love using Gender Bender in the summer, especially. And then the hand cream that's part of the bundle, I don't have the full size. I grabbed one just to show you how big they are. They're 3 ounces, which is perfect for travel. And you only need a pea-size amount of the hand creams as well, or less. And they just absorb into your hands instantly, leaves you with a soft, powdery, like smooth finish. Like a silky, powdery feel on your hands. It feels so good. And the scent of the hand cream is Disturbed. I grabbed this sample pack just to show you this is what the bottle looks like. It's called Disturbed. It's a fresh cut herb and bright citrus scent. And that is also in the bundle. One more thing about the chunk bars. I keep mentioning you just need a little bit of all of these products. The soaps, they last an extremely long time. And if you want to make your soap last even longer, microwave it for about 10 seconds on each side until it just has like, it's warm and it has just a little bit of give when you push your thumbs into it. And you can cut it in like 2 or 3 pieces and just keep one piece in your shower at a time. Help it last even longer. Or put it in one of those soap holder spongy things. It'll last you like forever. So you get the 5 products. I don't think I can hold all 5. I'm doing this for the hand cream. 1, 2, so a soap and a hand cream, and then 3 face products. I sound like the owl from the Tootsie Roll. 3 face products. All this together, these 5 products, regular price would be $95. They are on sale in a bundle where you can grab them all together for $78 throughout the month of June. At poshwithkelly.com, click on shop, click on specials. You'll see the June bundle. You'll see a picture of the 5 products. Don't really think I can hold them all. I'll do 4. No, see, no, we're just not going to do that. You get it. So you can do that, or if you don't want all of those but something caught your eye, each week in June, one of these products will be on sale. And it will also show up in specials, and I post about what's on sale on this page at the beginning of every week. So this week, BFF's on sale. Next week will be pickup lines. The week after that will be Moisturize 911. And then I forget which order, but then we've got the chunk bar and the hand cream, but I forget which one comes first. We'll see later in the month. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please leave comments if you have any questions or shoot me a message. If you want to try these products and you've never tried them before, I do have samples. I won't be home very much this month, doing a lot of traveling. but I will get some samples out to you when I can. Or just, I mean, these are best-selling products and tons of my customers love them, use them all the time, reorder them. So just like have the faith and jump in and just grab them for yourselves while you can. Sooner the better, so you can enjoy them all month long. And when you post your own personal product reviews, I reward you. So the more Posh you get in your hands, the more reviews you can do, and you'll get rewards from me. And if you're interested in earning free Posh, you can earn tons of free Posh when you refer your friends to me. So reach out and ask me about that, and I'd be happy to set you up with your own free, totally free, no strings attached shopping link. And you can refer some friends. When they shop through your link, you get free Posh. It is awesome. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and please leave comments, ask questions, share the products you love, and I'll see you soon. Bye.